Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to transfer the ownership of your events on Google Calendar. So first thing first, you will need to go to your Gmail and then access to your Google Calendar application or web portal, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. And basically, the first thing is to search the events where you want to change your ownership, and you click on it. And here you will find an edit or customizing icon. You click on it, and now we will be able to edit our event. And basically, all we need to do is to search, transfer, or change ownership. To find it, you will need to go to the More Action button. You click on it, and here it will pop up this little menu. Here we are going just to click on Change Owner, and now you will need to choose the new owner to your event. And as you can see, the message you can add some message to him, or for example, you are now owner. Thank you. And then you choose, for example, the owner. You click change owner, and now the owner of this event has been changed to the person that you have just chosen. So that's it. This is how you can change the ownership or transfer the ownership to in Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and see you next time.